What's happening, guys? David back with another video. I know it's been about 2 weeks. Thank you for staying with me. I've had a lot that I've done. So just to kind of give you an update, about 3 to 4 weeks ago I did dethatch the yard twice with the Sunjoe, and surprisingly enough, every time I walk in the yard there's just more thatch that I'm able to see and able to pick up. So what I've been doing is whenever I've watered the yard, or it actually rained last night, I've come with a rake and just kind of scraped up what I can scrape, because it just seems like the thatch regenerates and there's an endless supply of thatch that's affecting the yard. So I'm going to show you the yard in a minute, just how patchy it is. I've also put some sea kelp and some iron down 3 weeks ago, so that kind of helped it. And we're also about 3 to 4 weeks in with the morganite. So it has gotten a little bit better. I planted a couple more sod pieces, so it is getting a little bit better inch by inch. I've kind of had to fight for what I've got. So first I'm going to show you, I got something in the mail this morning that we're gonna go ahead and put down, and then at the end of the video I'll show you some of the updates that have been completed by the contractors. So let's go. So we just got some root ruckus in this morning. I ran out, so that's a new addition. We just got that in this morning, and the hydrotane came in a couple days ago. That's gonna exactly what it says it's gonna do, reduce watering by 50%. I've seen a lot of great comments on this product, so I'm excited to use it in my hose and sprayer, and hopefully since we're so dry here in Central Florida, save on the watering. We're really having to water about every 1 to 2 days, or maybe like a little 15-minute sprinkle, because it's just so hot, and we really haven't got any rain for probably months, like any medium to heavy rain in about a month and a half. So this is going to be necessary for us going forward to fixing the yard. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the yard, and then we'll go ahead and take a peek at what's going on with the house. So here's the yard, as you can see, pretty patchy. Looks a little bit better, if I may say. Show you a close up here. I mean, this section right here is just the best. It's fairly thick right here. Still some thatch you can find, and that's what we're just struggling with. Always thatch in the yard, guys. And this morning I kind of came and dug some more out right here, so you can just see just more thatch that just comes up. There's another pile right here, just more and more of it. Always thatch. And I did aerate yesterday as well. Here's another pile. All right, let's see. Just more. Here's just another good chunk you can see right here. Probably be able to pick it up. Just more. Oh man, this went right through my fingernail. Yeah, just more. It never ends, guys. I'll go over here. So I planted these 3 pieces right here. Just kind of fend off any weeds, and you can just continuously see all the thatch. 24-hour job. So this grass is nice over here. Let's see. And here's another pile. Just tons of it. Where are you coming from? It just literally regenerates. I'll be walking in the yard and I'll see a big just pile of it just everywhere. Okay. All right, that's enough of the yard. I'm gonna go ahead and show you a couple of updates. What have you done? All right, forgive me, guys. It's a complete mess under there. When you lose about 400 square feet of house, your junk tends to get piled up somewhere. So here it is. So here they are. They're installing the frame of the garage door. And if we go over here, they're just solidifying these poles, making them thicker. They're going to finish these off. Okay, let's go check out the AC. And they did in fact move the AC to the side of the house. That's done. Power was off for maybe like an hour and a half, so it wasn't too bad on us. And you can see they've just been dismantling the roof. Yeah, so pretty much adding to that pile back there. Permits sound like they're gonna get cleared, but who knows? Once they start demoing this wall, then I'll know we're in business. But it is the rainy season coming up, so that's kind of fit for it. As soon as the permits are cleared, it's probably gonna rain every day because it's been extremely dry. All right, guys, I'll try to keep you updated as much as I can. I know I've been a little lazy and a little busy with it, but stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll do the best I can to upload every week on the progress of the yard and house. Thanks, guys.